Hi, I'm Emma, and this is the bathroom we've lived with for the last 18 months. It's the kind of room where no matter what kind of probably should be banned cleaning chemical you use, it always looks like this. So needless to say, we've been eagerly anticipating the day we could rip it all out. Demo was, to put it lightly, a real pain in the ass, but everything had to go, so we just put on our headphones and pushed through. We decided to take out the basically non-functional closet to make a bigger shower space and to create a pocket door instead of the existing swing door to avoid the awkward shuffle of getting in and out of the 40 square foot room. I had such a clear vision of what I wanted this room to look like, and if I'm honest, at this point I was pretty nervous of the work it was going to take to make it happen. We waterproofed the shower and then we laid down this amazing handmade cement tile that I found on Facebook Marketplace. For the shower I went a bit rogue and some of the internet haters came for me, but I blindly followed an inspo photo I saved years ago of a vertical stacked tile with a big chunky grout line. TBD on how hard it is to clean, but I love it so much. We added beadboard up half the wall and this really pretty wallpaper on the top half. My husband is a hater and he says that it looks like the Black family tree from Harry Potter, but he's the worst, so don't even listen to him. By now the room is basically done except for finishing touches, but because I'm dramatic, you're gonna have to come back tomorrow for the full reveal. It'll be worth it, I promise.